What happens if a judge is prosecuted for actions taken in court? Imagine a courtroom where the scales of justice are upheld by a figure of authority, the judge. But what if that very authority is called into question? When a judge is prosecuted for actions taken during court proceedings, it sets off a complex legal chain reaction that can have far-reaching implications for the judicial system. Judges are granted a significant degree of immunity known as judicial immunity, which protects them from being sued for actions taken in their official capacity. This immunity is designed to allow judges to make decisions without fear of personal repercussions. However, this does not mean that judges are above the law. If a judge engages in criminal behavior or gross misconduct, they can be prosecuted. The prosecution of a judge typically begins with an investigation into their actions. This can be initiated by various entities, including state judicial conduct organizations, law enforcement agencies, or even complaints from the public. If sufficient evidence is gathered, the case may be referred to a prosecuting attorney who will decide whether to file charges. If charges are filed, the judge may face a criminal trial. During this process, the judge is treated like any other defendant, meaning they have the right to legal representation and a fair trial. The prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the judge committed the alleged offenses. If found guilty, the judge could face penalties that range from fines to imprisonment, depending on the severity of the crime. In addition to criminal prosecution, a judge may also face disciplinary actions from judicial oversight bodies. These actions can include suspension, removal from the bench, or censure. Such disciplinary measures are separate from criminal proceedings and focus on the judge's ability to perform their duties ethically and impartially. The implications of prosecuting a judge extend beyond the individual case. It can lead to public scrutiny of the judicial system and raise questions about accountability and integrity within the courts. Furthermore, it may impact ongoing cases presided over by the judge in question, potentially leading to appeals or retrials if their impartiality is called into question. In summary, while judges enjoy certain protections under the law, they are not immune from prosecution for unlawful actions taken in court. The process involves thorough investigations, potential criminal trials, and disciplinary measures, all of which underscore the importance of accountability in the judicial system.